Okay, Option Sharks, how's it going? This is your option coach here, and today I'm at my favorite cafe. It's slightly windy, but the weather is nice and clear, and blue skies. So have a look at the patio, and then check out the Pacific coast. Okay, fantastic. So today, what I want to cover is about passive investing and active investing. All right. So obviously, passive investing is great. You know, there's nothing wrong with that. But the way I look at it, my viewpoint on passive investing is that you want to have millions of dollars, right? You have so much money, you don't know what to do with it. Then that's a good idea to put the money into some type of passive vehicle like mutual funds, ETFs, treasury bills, whatever the case may be. Okay, so that's when you have so much money, you don't know what to do with it. So it's okay to put it in those type of assets. Don't look at it and just benefit from the returns anywhere between 6%, perhaps 6% up to 12% per year, depending on what asset you decide to put it in. Now that's a 100% passive. You don't need to look at it. You just let it do its thing, let it ride. Now, if you're at the stage where you're like less than 50,000, couple six figures, 100K, or less than $500,000, or even above $500,000, you want to focus and you want to take more of an active approach, right? You want to get to your milestones. You want to get that 100K milestone. You want to get to that 250K milestone. You want to get to that $500,000 milestone. You want to get to that $1 million milestone, right? The seven figure. That's what everyone is aiming for, even myself. Okay, and I'm progressing towards that direction. Then you need to put more emphasis on an active approach. Okay. Now, when I say active approach, this is where you are spending, at least an hour a week on your investments, on your trading. And when it comes to trading and investing in the market, there's really the way you look at also your personality type, right? I have friends that do really well trading futures, day trading, swing trading, and that's a little bit more, more screen time. You need to monitor those trades. You need to be in and out of the market, and it's more high stress, the way I look at it. And it's also, like an adrenaline rush. But you can do really well if you know what you're doing. Now, obviously, I much prefer trading options because options is more passive. It's semi-passive. You can take a semi-passive approach to it and still generate very great income, okay? And you can do it consistently, safely, and again, semi-passively, okay? So when it comes to focusing on growing your portfolio, scaling, you want to focus on taking an active approach. And then when you're taking an active approach, don't try to wing it. Don't try to do this on your own, right? YouTube is great. There's a lot of great resources on there. But if you want to minimize your mistakes, if you want to speed up the learning curve, you need to get access to a coach. You need a mentor. You need access to community so you have a feedback loop so you can get better results. Okay. Now, obviously, if you're watching this, you already know I'm I'm a coach. I trade options. I have a tight-knit community that I work with everybody on a one-on-one base. And I'm not here to brag, but everybody's doing very well. And I don't want my talking to show you, right? I just want to demonstrate what I can do. So stay tuned. On the second half of this video, I'm going to include an actual live coaching call that I do with one of my option sharks. All right. So if you want to see how I work on a one-on-one base, you want to generate 5 to 10% per month consistently, safely, and semi-passively, then I am your guy. I enjoy what I do. I don't find it as work because this is something I've been doing. And also I enjoy helping others as well. Okay. So if like and subscribe, if you like what I'm saying, put a comment out there as well. And of course, if you want to know how I work, there's a calendar link in the video somewhere or in my profile. Book a time. Love to have a conversation with you. Share my screen. I'll show you how we work. All right. So other than that, I wish you a fantastic day wherever you are. And I'll see you guys on the next one. And we're going to, on the top where it says search, top right, yeah, pony. And with we dismiss trade options. Yeah, we're gonna do May 23rd.
Okay, long put May 23rd.
No, don't mess with that. Just on the top, type on May 23rd.
Got it. Okay,
yeah, and which is the sell put, it's already there. And look for 1450.
55.
No, 1450.
14. Oh Jesus, man, I got.
There you go. Then let's sell that.
So let me just read through this really quick, make sure I got what I'm looking at, just to understand it. Okay, Pony is trading right now. I'm buying Pony with a strike price.
Or 75.
Right. Buy the close thing, buy the close. Selling contracts, selling puts on Pony. The strike price is 14.50. It expires on next week on 5/23. The bid to ask spread is like 20 points. Is that something like that? I don't know.
Yep.
The mark, what is on the left side? That's the stuff we're doing today. So 0.6. So we got a 60% chance that it does not go in the money. And then or stays away from the strike price. The previous close, I don't know what we do with that information. And then chance of profit is 76.30. That's great. And then the inherent volatility is so high. Relative, is that high? Is that relatively high?
Yeah, it's good for a stock at its price level.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Lower price stocks, high volatility is pretty good.
Yes, depending on yes. Like there's only a handful of them that pay out really good premium.
Okay.
But also Pony is now getting some shedding some light because that partnership with Uber is huge.
Okay. All right.
Right.
So like stocks, you like stocks that it pays to be in front of the crowd with options.
I like stocks that partner with mega companies, mega caps, because I know that if a mega cap believes in them, then that means that this company's going to go to places. Right. These CEOs are very intelligent human beings. They will not spend millions and billions of dollars to partner with a company if they didn't think there will be a future with them. Like the minute they're partnered, they're already making money. The minute they're integrated, they're full throttle. So when Uber's everywhere. My goodness, Uber's everywhere. All around the world. Every second they're making money. Now and then they slap in Pony's AI technology in there. My goodness, it's just a
overseas. It's amazing. You go. I was just in South America, and yeah, Uber works beautifully.
You got it.
A lot of things in the countries do not work beautifully. Uber works perfect.
You got it. There we go. Let's process this before the numbers change again.
Okay. Delta, gamma, theta. Okay, perfect. Got it.
Yeah, it's 21 delta. We can do 6 contracts.
Oh shit! I gotta edit that.
I'll go edit 6.
So
and then let's try to get a little bit more. Let's do type in 0.60.
Okay.
So what's this 0.55? Just type in 0.60. I think you can get away with that.
0.60.
Yeah,
right.
Yeah. Let's make it a little more. And then let's process that.
All right, cool.
You should get filled. Perfect. Another $389 here. 390 right over here. So yeah, we're still about 1,400 a week.
Beautiful.
Okay. This is maxed out. That's it. All right.
All right.
All set, Sam?
Yeah, thank you again for your time, Anthony.